Welcome to the JW Marriott in downtown Los Angeles. I think it's called the LA Live. Well, my name is Nick Gray, and I do hotel tours. These are fun, they're free, they're not sponsored. I paid for my own room, and I'm going to show you my room. I'll show you the gym. I'm going to show you a little bit around the lobby at the JW Marriott in downtown Los Angeles. This is June of 2023. Let's go take a look. This is my room, 1865. And I'm going to show you inside. What's up? Hello, my name is Nick. I'm going to give you a tour of my room now. Let's just look around. As you walk into the room, to the left immediately is the coffee station. I'm going to look at it now because I love seeing in hotels what the different coffee options are. This is this standard. I've been seeing these in a lot of Marriott properties. These devices, they're like pods that go into there. I also see some different tea selections, coffee and cream. We have 2 water bottles and the cups that are nicely wrapped. Let's look in the closet. I'm going to take you into the bathroom. Yes, they have the bathrobe. I love hotels that have a bathrobe. Here's your ironing board, iron on the left, and a safe. I'm going to come into the room here in a second. Disregard my luggage. We'll look at the room here in a second, but let's look at the bathroom first to see what stuff is inside. Very nice bathroom. Now tonight I could have stayed at the Westin, but I chose to stay here instead because these rooms are so much more modern. Let's take a look to see what bath materials we have, what bath soaps and lotions. Okay, these are these ones. Those are nice. I don't hate them. Let's take a look to see the shower head. That's fine. That's nice. And the towels. Now here's one of the nicest things about staying at a hotel like the JW Marriott. The towels are decent. At least they're nicer than what I got at the Westin. No shame to the Westin. If you want to see my review of the Westin, I think it's on my... Hey, that's me. I think it's on my channel. I love to go to these hotels and I post these little reviews of things just because I love to travel and I love to show you guys stuff. This is the room here at the hotel. Now, there's some great things that I'm going to show you. Number one that I'm looking at is this office desk area. I can't tell you how much I appreciate when there's a desk area like this. I was just at the Cork Hotel somewhere else, and they didn't have one. I was so frustrated. Let's look over and see if there's the USB ports. It is something that I look at. Yes, we do have one USB port over here, as well as 2 ports over there, as well as additional USB ports that are charging right on this little stand. Now there's an odd QR code here, which is for guest directory. I think I would never use that. There's weird shelf storage there. A quick fit check of the bed. Feels very firm, which I like. Little sofa area. And over on this area, do I see USB? I see one USB port that is up over there. This is my view. Obviously, there's different views at this whole hotel. Mine is looking out. I'm on the whatever floor. That's fine. Something that I want to tell you, this work area, I'll show you that soon, but real quick, can I just give a shout out? My name is Nick. I wrote this book. It's called The 2-Hour Cocktail Party, and it teaches you how to host events that help you meet new people. It's a step-by-step guide. And I'm so passionate about this. And if you look on Amazon, this is what like the inside of my book looks like. It's really a step-by-step guide that shows you how to host events that can change your life. That's the end of my commercial. I won't blab to you guys about it, except to say just look at the reviews. Let's look now at this work area. You can see the mirror. Do we have extra power ports? Actually, this is a wireless charger, which is really nice. It is one of the first times I've seen a wireless charger. Here's all of our ports. So we have 2 power ports on the side, and that is where we will work from. The TV does have Netflix. I checked that out, so I appreciate that. And there's also a seating area that's over there. I would like a lamp over there, but that's fine. I've cooled the room down. Overall, so far, I have to say I'm very happy with this room, and I really like it. We'll go down to the gym next. Let's go to the gym. Let's go inside the gym. So this is a very, very nice gym. And I want to note already the free weights. This is one of the benefits of the JW compared to some others here in Los Angeles. Really nice selection of free weights. An excellent, whatever this machine is called. Let me know in the comments if you know the name of that machine. There's a Smith machine over there. You can see the bench, the assisted weight machine, many treadmills and ellipticals, as well as other machines. There's some bikes in the back. I really would love them to have a Peloton. Unfortunately, they don't have the Peloton, but you can see all these different machines. There's bathrooms in here. There's a scale that's right over there. Plenty of, look, here's another scale. Here's some water bottles. And we'll come back over here. You can see the leg press machine even, which is incredible. The Bosu balls. There's some kettlebells right there. More selections for water. And then finally, here is a stretching area. So you'll see they have these balls. They have some weight mats. More of these weighted balls. This is a very good gym. I like this. I give it 2 thumbs up for a fantastic hotel gym. This is the outside. Welcome. Let me switch around. Okay, hold on. Welcome to the Marriott, JW Marriott, Los Angeles Live here in downtown Los Angeles. I'm going to show you the lobby. Let's go inside. This is inside of the lobby at the JW Marriott in Los Angeles, California. You can do your check-in right over there at that front desk. And then back here is the restaurant area. Upstairs is some conference things. So there's conference areas, there are meeting rooms, up these escalators, way back there. But this is where the big restaurant is, and there is a resort fee at this restaurant, and that $20 credit that you will get can apply to this restaurant back here, which is fantastic. So if you check all of that out, this is the lobby here at the JW Marriott. Let me just show you the map of down here in this area, what gets set up, so you can see the different ballrooms and the different areas. As you see here, this is level 1, here's level 2, and then this one is the level 3. Well, this concludes my tour of, oh my gosh, my bed is dirty. I hate showing dirty beds in videos. This concludes my tour of the JW Marriott in Los Angeles at LA Live. If you like this video, would you please give me a like or leave a comment? Let me know when you're coming here. I love making these tour videos. By the way, the Executive Lounge is fantastic. If you can get access, I highly recommend it. I'm rushing to my train to San Diego. I gotta go. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.